Mean to tell me I know how to do makeup, hair, and nails? Dang, what can't I do?
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra, and if you don't know, you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the fam. So today's video, I will be showing you guys how I did my own acrylic full set at home. I already did one hand, so I'm definitely going to show y'all how to do the other one in this video. If you are a nail tech, fair warning, if you are a nail tech, girl, click off this video because you gonna cringe like shit because I did so many things wrong, and I'm a beginner, okay? So yeah. The first step is to get this cuticle pusher, push them things back. I think it allows the acrylic to like flow naturally out of your nail. That's what it's supposed to do, girl. I don't know if I did it right, but yeah. After I do that, I'm going to flip it to the other side and scrape off any dead skin that I have. I don't think I had that much. But yeah, that's basically the first and second step of this tutorial. I got this cuticle pusher from the same set that my LED gel dryer came in. So everything that was included was the cuticle pusher, an orange nail filer that you're going to see later, the LED light, and these gel soak off things. This entire bundle was under like $30. So that was a great purchase in my opinion. So yeah. Here you see I'm scraping any dead skin that I have. Make sure that you are being gentle during this step, okay? Because you don't want to hurt yourself. So, yeah. The next step is to get a nail clipper and try to get rid of as many hangnails that you have. I have so many and I don't understand why. Like, where the fuck do these come from? They hurt, they get on my nerves. It's frustrating, but yeah, clip those away. Also, if I get out of frame, which will happen in this video, I am so sorry. So please just don't mind that. It was really hard for me to set my phone up and record this for y'all. I was recording it upside down and some more, okay? So please just disregard. Now it's time to go in with the Touch Beauty Essentials 5-in-1 Electric Manicure / Pedicure Set. I play too much? Okay, anyways, this drill is lit, okay? It comes with 5 attachments and it comes with a built-in LED light. So here are the 5 attachments and whatnot, and the packaging was so cute. So yeah, I wanted this because it's battery powered. I think it takes AAA batteries. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but I didn't want to have a cord slinging around. So the first attachment I use is this curved point one, and here I'm showing you the light. I just wanted to use it to get my cuticles together because they was a little raggedy, but then I noticed that it really wasn't doing much, so I went in with another attachment that kind of has like a sharper point, not point, but a sharper edge to it. I really don't know what I'm talking about. So anyways, I used that to get as much dead skin off as possible. This drill is very, very gentle, okay? So if you have more skills, you probably want a more powerful drill, but me, I'm a beginner, so I didn't want anything that was going to have too much friction and get hot. I don't know if y'all have ever experienced that, but my nail techs have literally burnt me before because the drill was in the same spot for too long and it was, you know, collecting friction, and that shit hurt. So I didn't want to do that. I also didn't want a drill that could possibly like scrape at my meat. So this one was perfect for me. Now here is the orange buffer / filer that I was talking about earlier. I'm just going in buffing my nails so the tips have something to really grip onto. If your nails have too much natural oils on them, your glue will not work as well. So speaking of the tips, these are the Instant Perfection Long Stiletto Dramatic High Profile tips, okay? Long ass title. Here I'm just about to size them out and fit them to my nails. And before placing them on my nail with the glue, I'm going to go in with another file and buff it out so the adhesive works to its best ability. So right here, I'm going in with the IBD 5-second nail glue. I love this glue, okay? For one, it comes with a brush, so you can use it for multiple things. It doesn't have a squeeze out like most nail techs use, and it dries so fast. The hold is so strong, and you can also use it on top of your nails to like stick on jewels and rhinestones and things like that. So 10 out of 10 recommend this glue. Also, if you look in my description box and see the link for this glue, you're going to see a flat price, but just know that that price is going to give you 2 bottles of glue, so you know, an extra bang for your buck. So now I'm taking this nail cutter and I'm going to size my nails so it matches the other hand that's already done. This is a short/medium set in my opinion. If it wasn't for my job, I would have definitely went longer. And as for my shape, I'm going for a coffin shape, okay? So here is where I would use a straight edge nail clipper to get rid of as much nail as possible, so you don't have to sit there and file away at your nails for 12 years like I did. But unfortunately, all I had in my house was curve shape. So like I said, I went and filed for 12 fucking years. It took long, but it was kind of therapeutic, so I didn't even mind. But I ended up getting the best shape ever. Like, this shape is popping. You can't tell me it's not. I may suck at doing nails, but I could shape some nails. Okay. Right here, you'll see that I'm going in with another file. I call these the old-fashioned files, but this one had a little bit more strength, in my opinion, in comparison to the black one. And I was able to really file away at my natural nails, so it blend in with the tip a little bit more. So highly recommend using one of these. And then I went back and forth and took the black filer to file away at the top of the nail as well, so it can be a little bit buffed out before I go in with the acrylic. So yes, get into the shape, honey. Get into it. Like, you want to make sure that you really like your shape before you put on your acrylic, because once you put on your acrylic, it's just going to make it harder for you to file your nails down. So now I'm going in with this nail prep dehydrator. This is very essential to make sure that your acrylic does not lift once you do your nails, and you want to make sure that you only put it on your natural nail. I don't know why you can't put it on the tip, but it's basically like a golden rule that you have to abide by, okay? Once I do that, I'm going to go in with the Mia's Secret White Acrylic Powder French 3D. And I'm also going to go in with the Mia's Secret Liquid Monomer, okay? These do not come cheap, honey. Just to let you know, when you see that price, don't be fooled. And I'm also going to use the number 10 Kamisi brush. I don't know how to pronounce it, but y'all, I fucked this brush up. You see all that leftover acrylic on there? Please make sure that you clean off your brushes after you do your acrylic each and every time, because you're going to ruin your brush like I did. Literally, it made doing this set so freaking hard because the brush was clumped up with acrylic, and now I have to go out and get a new brush because I literally ruined it. Also, I want to put y'all on, if you love white nails, go ahead and invest in a French white powder so you don't have to go and spend extra money on gel nail polishes. That was the smartest thing I ever did. Also, if you like that, I don't know the right name for it. Don't think I'm dirty, but everybody on Instagram be calling it like the cum color, because it's a light white, but it's so cute. And this is what this powder reminds me of, that color. So yeah, but anyways, here I'm just taking small beads at a time. I'm trying to pick up small beads, but I really don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just applying it to the nail. You want to apply multiple coats so your nail is thick enough. I don't know too much about getting the right curvature of the nail. I'm not a professional, so yeah. I linked the YouTube channel that I got all of these products and information from. I think her YouTube is Long Hair Pretty Nails. I love her, okay? I watch her all the time. So if you want to actually see how to do your nails, go to my description box and make sure you subscribe to her, because she is lit and she provided me with everything that I used in this video. So yeah, just watch me struggle to put this acrylic on. I don't even know how to explain what I was doing. So yeah, watch her videos if you want a better tutorial, honestly. And even though I suck at doing nails, I did pick up some tips while doing them. So for one, you want to make sure that you pick up small beads at a time. Two, you can go back and forth throughout your nails with using this specific acrylic because it doesn't dry that fast. So as you saw, I was going back and forth in between nails to make sure that the acrylic was dry before I added extra. Also, you want to pat instead of brush out. And anytime you see a bump, you just want to pick up more liquid monomer because that will smooth it out. And you also want to take the bottom of not the bottom of your brush, but like the flat edge of the brush and press down on your nail to spread out the acrylic. I hope that makes sense. But basically, this is what my nails look like after doing all of that. And I'm just going to go in with the same nail filer and buffers that I used in the beginning to go over to make sure that I have a smooth surface. So for this part, I used 3 of the different attachments that came with the buffer. The first one was the largest one, and that was used to really smooth out the surface and to get it as flat as possible. The second one was very pointy, and that was used to clean up around my cuticle area so the nails looked a little bit more natural. And the last one was to use underneath the nail. This kind of gave it that curved shape that natural nails have, and it also got rid of the bumpiness under there because, girl, it was a little crazy. You know how the acrylic drips down and forms those bumps. But anyways, after I used all 3 of those, the nails looked pretty darn good in my opinion. So just to let y'all know, I really don't do color. If I go get my nails done, I really stick with white or nudes. So I did buy this matte coat, base coat, and top coat off Amazon as well. I'm only going to be using the top coat because I really don't feel as though I need a base coat because I didn't use any color. I just used acrylic. So yeah, as for these rhinestones, I bought these a while ago for makeup purposes. So the link may or may not be in the description box below, but I'm just taking off some of these iridescent rhinestones to go on my middle finger. This rhinestone set came with 2 in a pack, so 2 plastic containers with all different colors and sizes of rhinestones, and it also came with this pen to pick them up with. So it was a really good buy. Hopefully it's linked in the description for y'all. But I'm just using the same glue as I used earlier to get my rhinestones for my middle finger. Started with the middle, put 2 on the side and then 2 on the other side, so I use 5 for each finger. And this is what it looks like, and it's really cute to me. And then I'm just going in with the top coat to make sure that everything looks shiny. And then I'm putting my hand under my LED light. I like this one because it came with 3 different options: a 30-second, 60-second, and 99-second button. There's also a low heat mode. So yeah, you guys, that really wraps up this tutorial. I loved how my nails turned out. If you want to see more nail tutorials, please comment down below. I have to use these products so I can get my money's worth, so definitely tell me what videos y'all want to see next. Also, be sure to check out my other videos and to follow me on social media, especially my Instagram, because that's where I do my posts and that's where I announce giveaways. We real close to that 50K, so be sure to follow me on there, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
I know them all the guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna be with you.